Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. It's coming once again. So yeah, you notice that your phone says it's a 4G device or 5G device, but then you end up seeing your phone working on or running on a 3G network or 2G network, and you're like, this wasn't what I signed up for. So yeah, this is the right video for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to place your phone, your device, back on the right network settings. So the first thing, as usual, that we're going to be doing is to navigate to the settings. So once you get to settings, so one thing you should do is to navigate or locate where your mobile network is. So this varies on different devices and on different Android versions. So in this case, I'm going to go to connections and I can easily locate where my mobile network is. So I'll just tap on mobile network, and so I can see that is network mode, which is for SIM 1, and also the other network mode for SIM 2. So when you come to this network mode for SIM 1, then you can see that it's for 2G only. That is the speed cap of the network. If you are running on mobile data, it's going to be 2G, so it's not going to exceed 2G. And this 3G only means it's going to be on 3G or nothing. So only when there's a 3G network, that is only when you browse. So if there's not 3G network within your reach, you can't browse. And so this 3G/2G auto connect. So what this does is that it interswitches between 3G and 2G. So if you are in a location or you are in an area whereby there is 2G and it's not 3G, what your phone does is that it brings the network down to 2G, so allows you to still browse. Although 2G is not as fast as 3G, but then you are still able to access the internet. And so if you eventually move closer to a location or in an area whereby there's 3G close to you, and then what your phone does is that it steps up the internet speed and the network and allows you to browse and surf the net on 3G. And so when you step up more to the LTE, which means long-term evolution /3G/2G, so what it does is that it switches between LTE, which is also 4G but better than 4G, and 3G and 2G. So depending on the network that is close to your area, so your phone maintains that network so as to make sure that you are still on the internet. So that's what it does. So this, for example, now it is not a 4G device but an LTE device, which is a little bit higher than 4G. So in this case now, you can see that LTE/3G/2G is selected here. So which means that if there is an LTE network close to me, my device automatically switches to LTE and allows me to surf the internet using the LTE network speed. And if there is no LTE and then there's 3G, I use 3G. And if there's not 3G and LTE and it's 2G, then it means that this device runs on 2G, plain and simple, which is quite slow in this age that we are, where there is already 5G already. So that is how you do it. So that is how you speed up your network, and that is how you bring your phone back to the specification that was written right off the bat when you got the device. And so with this tutorial, with this help, I'm sure that by now you should be able to bring your phone back to the internet speed that you desire. And if there is no other internet speed close to you, you can just switch between anyone that you want, depending on which one is closer to you. And I hope this video has been very helpful to you and very insightful to you. If it has been, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up. I'd like you to drop your comment in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when I drop a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.